Cotton. Stage 1. The original swaddle is within stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe stages of sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in, approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles are made out of soft fabric, 100% cotton, for ultimate comfort. Plus, they are machine washable. Safe and secure. The secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. TOG rating is 0.5. 3 sizes available. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles come in 3 different sizes. The Preemie fits up to 7 pounds, small fits 0 to 3 months, 7 to 14 pounds, up to 26 inches, large fits 3 to 6 months, 14 to 18 pounds, up to 33 inches. Sleep stages. This original swaddle is for babies in the first stage in the SwaddleMe stages of sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. 4.13 pound baby fit perfect in it up till 7 pounds 19 inches. Then the Velcro wouldn't fit to other side.